What's the interest rate for Tide business accounts? Have you ever wondered why some businesses seem to grow faster than others? Is it just good luck, or is there something more to it? One key factor that can significantly impact a business's growth is access to affordable financing. Today, we're going to dive deep into a popular business banking option, Tide, and answer the burning question, what is the interest rate for Tide business accounts? Tide's appeal. Tide has gained popularity among small business owners and entrepreneurs for its simplicity, affordability, and digital-first approach. But before we get to the interest rates, let's understand a bit more about what Tide offers. Key features: fee-free banking, no monthly fees, no hidden charges, and no minimum balance requirements. Virtual cards, instant access to virtual debit cards for online payments. Invoice management, easy invoicing and payment tracking. Integration with accounting software, seamlessly connect Tide to popular accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero. The interest rate question. Direct answer. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. What is the interest rate for Tide business accounts? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Tide's interest rates can vary depending on several factors, including account type. Different Tide accounts may have varying interest rates. Balance. The interest rate may increase or decrease based on the amount of money in your account. Business sector. Some industries may have specific interest rate offerings. Factors affecting interest rates. Base rate. Tide's interest rates are often tied to a base rate, which is typically the Bank of England's base rate. This means that if the base rate increases, so might Tide's interest rates. Risk assessment. To determine your interest rate, Tide may assess the risk associated with your business. Factors like your business's financial history, credit score, and industry can influence the rate you're offered. How to find your interest rate. Tide's website. The most accurate way to find your specific interest rate is to visit Tide's website. They often have a rate calculator or a section where you can input your details to get a personalized quote. Contact Tide. If you're unable to find the information online, don't hesitate to contact Tide's customer support. They can provide you with the exact interest rate for your account. Additional considerations. Fees and charges. While Tide is known for its fee-free banking, it's essential to be aware of any potential fees or charges that may apply. These could include fees for international transactions, overdrafts, or certain account features. Customer service. Before making a decision, consider Tide's customer service reputation. Read reviews and testimonials to see how other customers have experienced their support. We've explored the interest rates for Tide business accounts and discussed the factors that can influence them. Remember, the best way to find your specific interest rate is to visit Tide's website or contact their customer support. If you're considering opening a Tide business account, I encourage you to do your research and compare it to other options. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. Until next time.